Today, we're going to show you how to set up a VPN on your iPhone for secure browsing. Point 1. Choose a VPN provider. First, you can choose a reputable VPN provider. Some popular options include like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, or maybe TurboVPN. You can research it and select a VPN provider that meets your security and privacy needs. Then we move to the point number 2. Download and install the VPN app. Once you already chosen a VPN provider, you can download and install their app from the App Store. Just simply search for the provider's names and tap Get to download the app. After that, we move to point 3. Set up the VPN. After you installing the VPN apps, you can follow this step to set it up. Open your VPN app. After that, you can sign up or log in with your VPN account. After that, you can choose a server location or let the app select it automatically. Then, after you select the server location, you can tap Connect to activate the VPN. Make sure the status is connected. Then we move to point number 4. Verify VPN connection. Make sure your VPN is working properly by verifying your connection. You can do this by open the browser on your iPhone and you can visiting a website like ipleak.net. We can type ipleak.net to check your IP address and location. Make sure that the location is true. Then we move to point number 5. Manage VPN setting. Lastly, you can manage your iPhone VPN setting by following this step. Open Setting apps on your phone, then you can tap on General and then scroll down until you found VPN and Device Management. Tap on this, then you can see the status of VPN is connected. You can tap on this. From there, you can adjust settings such as you can turn on Personal VPN, select the available VPN, and you can also add VPN configuration by tap on this. And that's it, our video about how to set up an iPhone VPN for secure browsing. Thanks for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you to set up a VPN on your iPhone for secure browsing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone security tips and tricks. See you next time and have a nice day. Bye!